Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are counting down the top 10 Chinese historical shows that filled with captivating stories, romance, and palace intrigue you simply can't miss. Let's dive in. 10. The Story of Yanqi Palace. Starting our list is the incredibly popular The Story of Yanqi Palace, released in 2018. Set during the reign of Emperor Qianlong, this drama took the world by storm with its elaborate costumes, intense court intrigue, and powerful performances. It follows Wei Yingluo, a maid who skillfully rises through the ranks to become one of the most influential figures in the palace. This show amassed over 15 billion views in China and became one of the most watched series of the year. 9. Nirvana in Fire. At number 9 is the highly acclaimed Nirvana in Fire, released in 2015. Known for its gripping political drama and breathtaking battle scenes, the series is set during the Northern and Southern dynasties. It follows the strategist Mei Changsu, who returns to the capital under a new identity to seek justice for a wrongful massacre that ruined his family. Often compared to Game of Thrones, the series is hailed as one of the best Chinese dramas ever made. 8. Rui's Royal Love in the Palace. Released in 2018, Rui's Royal Love in the Palace is another stunning Qing dynasty drama, known as the sequel to The Legend of Zhen Huan. It tells the tragic love story between Emperor Qianlong and his beloved Rui, who must navigate treacherous power struggles in the imperial harem. With outstanding performances from Zhou Zun and Wallace Huo, this series delivers both drama and heart. 7. Legend of Fuyao. Next, we have Legend of Fuyao, which premiered in 2018. This fantasy period drama features Yang Mi as Fuyao, a young woman born into slavery who embarks on a thrilling journey to reclaim her freedom and destiny. Set in a mythical universe with 5 kingdoms, this show is filled with martial arts, magic, and romance. If you are a fan of strong female leads and action-packed stories, Legend of Fuyao is a must-watch. 6. The Longest Day in Chang'an. Released in 2019, The Longest Day in Chang'an is a fast-paced historical thriller set during the Tang dynasty. The story revolves around a disgraced detective and a young soldier who have just 24 hours to prevent a terrorist attack on the city of Chang'an. With its high production value and riveting plot, this drama offers suspense, action, and historical depth all in one. 5. The Untamed. Coming in at number 5 is The Untamed, a 2019 fantasy period drama that captured the hearts of viewers across the globe. Based on the Mo Daozushi novel, the series follows the deep bond between Wei Wuxing and Lan Wangji as they navigate political upheaval and face dark supernatural forces. With its combination of martial arts, bromance, and fantasy elements, The Untamed became an international sensation, loved by fans worldwide. 4. Princess Agents. At number 4 is Princess Agents, which first aired in 2017. This series tells the story of Chu Qiao, a slave who becomes a fierce warrior and leader. Set in the chaotic Northern Wei dynasty, the drama focuses on her journey to fight for justice, freedom, and love. With its strong female-led and action-packed sequences, this drama has become a fan favorite. 3. Eternal Love. Coming in third is the incredibly popular Eternal Love, also known as 10 Miles of Peach Blossoms, which was released in 2017. This fantasy romance tells the epic love story between Bai Qian, a goddess, and Ye Hua, a crown prince, spanning 3 lifetimes of love, loss, and sacrifice. This drama is beloved for its breathtaking visuals, stunning costumes, and the undeniable chemistry between its leads. 2. Joy of Life. Released in 2019, Joy of Life blends historical drama with a unique twist of humor and mystery. The story follows Fan Jian, a young man who is reborn into ancient China with knowledge from his modern life. As he uncovers the truth behind his mysterious origins, he navigates a dangerous political landscape full of intrigue and deception. The series became an instant hit due to its clever plot, sharp humor, and fantastic ensemble cast. 1. Empresses in the Palace. And finally, taking the top spot as the critically acclaimed Empresses in the Palace, which was released in 2011. This drama is a timeless classic, renowned for its deep exploration of palace intrigue, romance, and betrayal within the imperial harem of the Qing dynasty. The story follows Zhen Huan, a concubine who rises to power amidst dangerous political and personal rivalries. Praised for its stunning performances and detailed portrayal of court life, Empresses in the Palace remains one of the greatest Chinese dramas ever made.